Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to talk about Addicted.fun. But before we move on, I just have to mention that this is not a financial advice. Everything what I'm saying here is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Guys, this is one of those games which they are very risky. However, there is a very high yield possible. Okay, if you're early enough. Okay, those games you need to be early enough to make some profits. Okay, it was introduced yesterday. Okay, and it's already 237,000 people, 183 accounts have been made. Okay, and you can make multiple accounts. Doesn't mean that there's a 237,000 people playing. It might be less than that. However, there's a 183 accounts that's been made here. Okay, so I haven't played this one yet. Okay, I just want to go, and I decided to actually record the video live and see how it goes. Right, so you can go to how to play. Okay, and there are all instructions here. I watched a couple of videos in the past. There are already people are actually making the videos about it. Okay, so I'll do this test based on the knowledge I gathered from the other YouTubers. Okay, so let's go and click connect to start. Okay, I'll be connecting via my Phantom wallet. Or I already put some funds in it. Okay, so once you connect with your wallet, right, so you just need to put this the code. Okay, I'll be creating my own code, I suppose, once I get into it. So I will be leaving the link inside the description of this video. However, in the meantime, I will use the code which I found on one of the other YouTubers. Okay, so I'll be using his code here. Okay, so I'll be pressing now proceed, and here we go. Okay, start new business. All right, so this is a buy your first farm space and start farming. The coin's name is wheat, right? So to start to play in this game, you need there's a cost of half a soul, okay, plus network fee. Okay, I transferred over some soul inside my Phantom wallet, so I'm happy to go ahead and proceed with it. So let's go and do it. Okay, and now we go. In a second, we should go and start some business here. Okay, so that's what it's called, right? Okay, so now everything is loading for me. A few instructions how to play, trade, leaderboard, and the market. Okay, and also you can invite and earn. Probably I'll be living here. So once I get this video up and running, I'll be leaving the link inside the description. So I highly appreciate if you can use my link. Obviously, probably I'll get some sort of affiliate links if you join through my code, right? So okay, so now it's loading, so let's wait for a minute. Okay, it's ready now, right? So farming. Okay, we're gonna get ourselves farming 105.79 wheat per day. Okay, so the thing is that sooner you get inside those type of games. Look, this is one of those games probably we all remember, or maybe some of you guys remember those type of what you call it, the mining games, right? So I don't know, baked beans, they were very, very popular back in the days, and others. Okay, where if you get into those games early, that was a highly there was a highly chance that you're gonna get something out of it. If you decided to go and you pass that time where there was a profitability high enough to get you a return on your investment, and you passed it late, okay, there was not much you could do about it. Okay, so there was no much money to be made. However, it's still, because this game was introduced just yesterday, okay, there I think it's still time. I don't know when you're gonna be watching this video, so I highly encourage you to do your own research before you decided to jump in. Okay, so now let's go and check something. Okay, so they give it us 105 wheats, okay, per day. Okay, now let's go and trade and see what's the token price now. Okay, 0.4. This is the token price. Let me have a check how much that would be. Okay, so we got a 0.5. Yeah, that's what it says here. Okay, 0.5. Yes, 0.5 times 0. What is exact price? 0.4. Okay, let's stick with 0.4. 0.4. Okay, so 42. Okay, $42. Okay, so we put there 105. Okay, so we put the half a sol is currently I think about 216, something like that. So we put 108 dollars. Okay, and we can in a day we can get a return on 42. Okay, that's only by starting out this game. However, what you can do additional to that, right? So let's go quickly to how to play. Okay, how to play: rip packs, open packs to pull seeds, rare seeds, more grow power, build farms, slot your seeds and upgrade your farm boost, and grow plants. Okay, so that's how you can go learn more on the wiki. Okay, so there we go. You can go and click the wiki here. That's exactly the same page we had this at the beginning of this video. All right, so now let's go and customize it. Okay, you can go. Okay, let me see. All right, so you can go and do some customizations here. Okay, grow power of 100. Okay, and the thing is that I don't have any of those with coins yet. Okay, so however, what I'm gonna do is I can go and I can buy. Okay, so I can buy 300 wheats here. Okay, and let me see if the one pack is there. I want to go and choose. Let's see, 3 packs. Okay, so 1 pack is for 3 packs would be for 900. Okay, if I do the 2 packs, will be for 600. Okay, 600 wheats. Okay, so let me have a quick look, and I'll need to get some of these to actually do some additional just to boost my my earnings on this one. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, so I got my funds being loaded inside my Phantom wallet now. If I want to buy 1 packet, okay, I'm gonna spend 300 wheats. Okay, so that's fine. I got this one. I got balance of 300. Okay, exactly. All right, so let's go ahead and click confirm. All right, and once this has been completed, we will jump into our farm and see how it goes. You know what we can expect after 24 hours. Okay, so this thing is now completed. Okay, we just go ahead and open the pack. And once the pack has been opened, it should be added automatically inside our account. Let me quickly confirm that transaction here. All right, okay, so now it's ready. Ready to be used, right? So there you go. So we got a super rare for 1000. Okay, go to top, customize. Let me see, go to top, right? Here you go. And now let's go and customize this one. We got this. Okay, we're gonna add this inside our farm. All right, plant capacity 4 and confirm. Okay, once we confirm, probably I will need to confirm that once again on my Phantom wallet. There we go. Updated farm seeds with transaction details. There we go. Let's go back to our main page, and after a few seconds they should be added on. Okay, so now everything has been loaded inside my account. Okay, so guys, what is happening here now? Okay, remember we had 105 weeks where we were told that we will be making 105 weeks per day. Okay, now after I purchased 300 and I made this top up, okay, this quote went up into 1158.76. okay, so let's go quickly and do this transaction once again. Okay, 10.4 now. Okay, so this is the amount in dollars we should make it per day. Okay, obviously more people, like, guys, always remember that this number is only available here right now. If you join later, okay, this might be much lower. Okay, because the tokenomics, okay, this is a kind of the Ponzi-nomics of those type of games. Okay, sooner you get in, okay, you have a pretty more chances to get something out of that, you know, in higher numbers, when you put it this way, right? Later you get in, okay, there is lesser chance you're gonna make this amount of money. Okay, so you need always do your own research before you jump in. Okay, because you never know on what stage you'll be after this the official creation of that game, how many people will be playing, and so on and so forth. Okay guys, so now let's do some quick calculations, right? So to start off the game I had to invest half a soul. Then I added this additional weight, 300 weight tokens. Okay, this pack of 300 weight tokens for additional 0.57. So that's what it costing me. Okay, so it's 1.07. Now the soul at the time of recording is costing us 1 soul $218, right? which means that we already spent $233.26, right? Now, because I bought this packet of 300, remember that there was initially I was making 150, I think, wheat per day, but because I boosted it with 300 tokens, right? This went up to 1,156.42. Okay, really cool. So now let's go quickly do some calculations here, right? So this is the amount of tokens we're supposed to get on a daily basis, right? And currently this token costs 40 cents, right? And $462, okay? So minus 233, okay? So I should double my investment, all right, in a day. Okay, so I should get a return of my investment after 12 hours, and additional 12 hours I should make another $229. Like basically I'm making the double. Okay, in 24 hours I should double my investments. How it goes, it really depends. Okay, it really depends how this wheat token will actually perform. Okay, because look, if you're going to this wheat token, let's say here on this stage with 81, right, 81 cents, okay, and that was 3 hours ago, yeah, about like 3 hours, 4 hours ago, okay, we are here right now, yeah, 4 hours ago, this token was costing 81 cents, right? That's amazing. Okay, obviously people will start taking profits, right? And that's absolutely understandable. Okay, some people are taking profits right away, right? Because they are not playing the game, they just speculating on the price. The other people are just thinking about as an investment that the price will appreciate with the time. And the third group of people are actually people who are actually playing the game. All right, so and I think that's quite cool at the moment, just to play the game, right? Because this is still early. In my opinion, this is still early to get into this game, because you can still make your return on investment in less than a day. Yeah, as I said, like I think it's still early to get into this game, because you can make your return on investment in a day, plus you can definitely double your money, okay, by looking at this. 1,155 13.13 with tokens per day after this farm is gonna give you. So it is a cool thing to have, that I could actually join earlier. Okay, like I know people who actually joined way like 12 hours ago, so they could make like even triple, I suppose, money right now. But I feel confident that I can actually make some return on investment on this one. Okay, after 24 hours. Okay, we'll see. I will definitely will come up with an additional video of this because I think it's a game, right, guys? It's a game. Don't expect too much. It's a game, right? It's not like a forever game. But remember, from time when those mining games were on the market, many of those went to the billions of dollars of valuations. Okay, this one is market cap 36 millions. Okay, but there was a time when those type of games went to the market cap of 1 billion or something like that. In those mining games, like beans and everything, like I don't have it on top of my head, but it was a time 2021, 2022, 2023 where there was a massive amount of those games coming on the market, and the people who actually were early there were making the most of money. Okay, so I'm just really interesting if this will play out the way they actually saying to me, that I will be making 1,153. If that's the case, perfect. Okay. Now, the other thing is, okay, if you join later, okay, the farming might be lower than that, because the tokenomics of those type of games is, there is a sophisticated mathematics behind the scenes, okay? So to avoid the situation that people will start making money after 2, 3, 4 days, okay, and they will be start selling this token, so the price will suddenly drop, okay? To avoid that, they have to provide this farming rewards. They need to go lower with the amount of people joining in. Okay, so bear in mind that once you join, you might see it a little bit different. Okay, so that's for you to remember. Okay, now leaderboard. Okay, who is the leader then? Okay, do we have anyone there? Yeah, there you go. You got total invites. Okay, all right, that's about the invite. Yeah, by the way, I'll be leaving. I'm gonna go and invite in there. I'm gonna create my code. If you can invite through my code, absolutely fantastic. Once you get in, you also obviously you can create your own code and invite people under your own code. That's how it works basically. market. Okay, so I think that this is nothing it is available right now, but it looks like they're gonna make it a proper game out of this. Okay, so you can definitely join in if you want, if you're in those type of gaming experiences. They look into to actually explore those, and you can buy those type of items here using the WIT token. Okay, so that's absolutely fantastic. I think that's all at the moment. Okay, I definitely will be looking to see if that's really will play out. There are two things. Okay, this is what they actually tell me it's gonna I'm gonna get, right? I see this number is changing, constantly changing, right? So it's not like guaranteed all the time. But let's say that it will play out that I will be getting like around 1,150 tokens per day, right? I'm hoping that this coin will stay around this 40 cents per token. Okay, this is for me just to just to make this double the investment. Okay, if it drops to 20 cents, okay, I'll do my return on investment, ROI, I'll be on the break even in 24 hours. However, if it still keeps under the like 40 cents, I should double my money. Okay, so we'll see how it plays out, so I'm really interesting to see how it goes. Okay, guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. Remember, this is risky stuff, you just need to do your own research, and thank you very much for watching.